how to flash fill in Excel. Let's say you've got some columns here with first names, surnames and addresses, and you want to separate them into their own columns. You might have copied this data in from somewhere else, or you might have been sent it, but you want to split them out into their own columns. So we've created 3 titles here, first name, surname and address. So in the first name column here, we'll type in Joe, because Joe is the first name in this cell, and then we'll press enter. And now hold down Control on your keyboard and press E, and Excel fills in the rest of the first names for you. And it's Control and E whether you're on a Windows computer or a Mac. Now let's do the same for the surname. So we can see the first surname here is Smith. So we'll type Smith into this cell and press enter, and then hold down Control and the letter E, and Excel will fill in the rest of the surnames for you. And then lastly, let's do the addresses. So we'll type in 1 the avenue here and press enter, and then hold down Control and E, and Excel flash fills the addresses for you. So that'll save you a few hours.